Yo, welcome to another unboxing. Today, we have the budget model Kobe Mamba Rage. This is a premium version. Not really sure what makes it premium, but we have a gum sole on these, and that's pretty nice. This is a budget model basketball shoe. You got a mesh upper with a pretty nice outsole for the traction. I've played in a couple of colorways of these, and it does pretty good on the court. Pretty good. It is a narrow shoe, so if you got a wide foot, it's probably the shoe for you. As far as the cushion goes, you got a drop-in lunar line insole here, if I can get that out for you. Probably should have took the paper out first. But this is your insole, and it does the job. It's your lunar line right here. It's pretty cushy, man. It's not it's a budget model, so it's not gonna have the zoom and things like that in there. But I figured for a shoe that the factories are selling for as little as $59, man, this is a really good entry-level basketball shoe. A lot of people are put off because of the low cut, and I always have to explain to people, when you're playing basketball and you believe that this here, the upper, contains your ankle, that is pretty far from the truth. When you roll your ankle, it's because this section here isn't supporting your foot. This is where you roll your ankle. This outrigger here, if I can show it, you see how that comes out there? This outrigger prevents you, or helps to prevent you from rolling your ankle. So high top shoes are, it's still just the same upper, still the same material around your ankle, and it's not going to prevent it from rolling. I mean, it's like telling yourself that putting on tube socks is going to help you from rolling your ankle. That's about what that equates to. So all your technology and safety is contained in the sole of the shoe. That is what keeps you from rolling your ankle. So don't be afraid to play in lows. I played in lows. I've never had a problem with ankle rolling. The problem with ankle rolling comes when you don't play in the correct shoe. I see people out there playing in, trainers and runners, and that's how you roll your ankle, because they're not made for lateral movement. And so, just a little lesson for people who don't know. Also, these have the kimono dragon on the back. I'm not sure of the name of this shoe. Most of these shoes, when they do that, they come out with a some type of street name, but I'm not sure what these are. But like I said, you could probably find a lot of these Mamba Rages in your local factory, Nike factory outlet, and pretty reasonable price. And it's a really nice shoe to play in. So if there's a comments, as usual, just let me know.